Windows 11 just got a big update, with Xbox mode, faster performance, and major File Explorer improvements. But here's the twist, it's optional, and most people don't even know it exists. Let's break it down. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the latest Windows 11 update, KB5083631, packed with gaming features, speed boosts, and hidden upgrades. Let's dive right in. This update is called 2026-2004 Preview Update, KB5083631. It upgrades your system to build 26200.8328 for Windows 11 25H2. Build 26100.8328 for Windows 11 24H2. But remember, this is an optional update, so it won't install automatically. To get it, go to Windows Update and download and install it. Now here's the most exciting feature. Xbox mode. Windows 11 is finally bringing a console-like gaming experience to your PC. Xbox mode gives you full-screen gaming interface, controller-friendly navigation, better performance optimization. It basically turns your PC into an Xbox-style dashboard. To enable it, go to Settings. Click Gaming. Turn on Xbox mode. You can even switch between desktop and Xbox interface easily, but keep in mind, it's rolling out slowly, so you might not see it yet. This update also improves performance in several ways: faster startup apps, better system responsiveness, improved resource allocation for games. However, it doesn't fix all gaming issues yet, so don't expect miracles. File Explorer finally gets some long-awaited fixes. Here's what's new: folder views now stay consistent. No more random layout changes. Support for new archive formats like NUPC, ZAR, CPIO. Dark mode bug fixed, no more white flashes. Plus, File Explorer is now more stable and reliable. Another cool addition: haptic feedback. Now you'll feel vibrations when resizing windows, aligning objects, performing certain actions. It's similar to smartphone feedback, but for your PC. You can enable it in touchpad settings. If you prefer manual installation, Microsoft also provides direct download links via the update catalog. So that's everything about Windows 11 KB5083631. Would you try Xbox mode on your PC? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.